you were likely far more successful in high school than I was, both inside and outside of the classroom. Although you may not have to take an airplane to college, although you may not wear a retainer during the day, although you likely do not have a mullet, and although you may not need an epiphany to become a successful student, I hope that my epiphany and the resulting strategies I developed will be helpful to you as you determine your own approach to college. In addition to sharing with you my experience as a college student, I want you to benefit more than I did from the experiences and advice of someone who has been to college. The epiphany that I had and the strategies that I developed have been reinforced by what I have observed while working with college students over the past 27 years, by what I recommended to college students as an academic advisor for over 15 of those years, and by all the ways I have supported high-achieving college students for the past 11 of those years. The following advice is as applicable and effective today as it was in 1988. I hope that these videos will help to guide you to form good habits, and that you will refer to them as needed throughout your college experience, so that you can proactively avoid many of the struggles that college students encounter and have a successful, fun, fulfilling, and rewarding college career.